Do you know that you can actually create a YouTube channel using your phone? Yes, using your phone, either an Android or an iOS or any type of phone at all. You can actually create your YouTube channel using your phone. Welcome. Thank you so much for always having time over here on my platform. Okay, so this particular video is actually in response to the lot of calls and messages coming in asking of the tutorials on how to actually create a YouTube channel on the phone. Yes. Do you know that you can actually create a YouTube channel using your phone? Yes, using your phone, either an Android or an iOS or any type of phone at all. You need to get these things actively intact. The first thing to get to have it available is your Gmail address. Yes, that's your Gmail address. If you don't have it, you create an email with Google. Okay, so that's going to get you a Gmail address. It's going to take you some few steps to actually create it. Now, if you're having your Gmail address, you must sign in your Gmail address onto your phone. And so you've got it signed in. Now, the next thing to also actually have access to is your YouTube application. Yes, you can download the YouTube application free of charge at the Google Play. You can download it and then have it installed onto your phone. Now you have it installed onto your phone. The next thing to get is your mobile phone. I'm sure that one you already have it. Okay, so now that you have all this intact, please do not let anyone take money from you before you create a YouTube account for you. It's free of charge. You can create it wherever you find yourself. So now let us straight away get into the process, the simple step-by-step tutorials to actually create a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to click on the YouTube app on your phone, and that's it over here. All right, so as soon as you click on that, app will actually open for you, and now you look down there. Okay, down on your screen where we have the home, as you can see here, the shorts, we have the plus sign, we have the subscription, and then we have T over here. All right, or you see you over there. So all that you've got to do is just to click on that straight away. Great. So now you see I already have the email signed in on the phone. That's the Teachers Avenue email. All right, info.teachersavenue@gmail.com. So far as it's actually signed in on the phone. All right, so the next thing to do is actually click on the username over there on top over here. Just click on that, because now you're going to actually set it. So as you can see, there's no video over here because it's not set and it's not being in use. You get that? All right, so the next thing to do is to set up the YouTube account right here. Okay, so now you see we have manage videos here, and then we have this sign, and then the last one is the sign that shows like a pen over there. This one is what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's exactly what you're going to use to set up your YouTube channel. In fact, these options can be seen on every phone that you are using, either an Android phone, an iOS phone, or whatever. All right, so you watch it very carefully. All right, so now you click on that, the one that looks like a pen over here. Don't click on the create, because if you click on the create, that means your channel is set up and you are going to actually create videos. All right, so you click on this one. Okay, great. So now that you are at the channel settings, the first thing to do is to edit the name. As you can see, you have the name, you have the handle. Okay, let's draw back here. We have the name and then the handle. Okay, so first of all, we are going to tackle changing the name to suit the actual name that you want to use. All right, so you click on that. Now this is the name over here. You can delete it. All right, you will see it over there on your YouTube app. All right, so enter any name that you want to use for your YouTube channel. For example, I'm going to use Atasmart. Actually, I have discovered with Atasmart already, so this one I'm going to, let's say, use Atasmart, or let's say Atasmart TV, depends on you. So Atasmart. All right, so Atasmart is okay, and now you can either have it in caps lock, all right, in uppercase, or in small lowercase, or you can only capitalize the first letters, as I've already done over here. Now this YouTube name is visible to anyone on YouTube. All right, so when someone gets on YouTube, wants to watch your video, this is the name the person is actually going to see. He wouldn't be seeing the Teachers Avenue anymore. All right, so when you finish, you click on save. Great. So now you see the name has changed over there. As you can see, it's saved. Now you get to the handle section. Now this handle is, you see, sometimes when someone says send me your link and stuff, now this is the handle that actually holds your YouTube channel. All right. Now that your name is set, your name will be added to your handles. You see, you have your handles in several other, I think about 2 or 3 ways. We should actually get time to talk about that one some other times. So over here you can either change it to any name that you want, or you can maintain this one over there. All right, so it depends on you. You can either change or maintain it, and it's visible to all users on YouTube. Don't forget about that. Okay, and don't forget that you can also change your handle back within 14 days. Now this becomes your channel URL, and it can be changed within it can be changed twice every 14 days. So don't forget about that. So now we are not going to change it. All right, so now let's continue with the channel URL. That one is not editable. You cannot edit it. Any handle that you have over here, the handle section, that one will be displaying at the channel section. Don't forget about that. You can copy and share with other people so that they can actually follow that to get onto your channel. Now you get to the description section. This is where you're going to write something about your channel, what the channel will be doing. All right, so for example, if I'm going to use, let's say I'm going to use this channel basically for only tech tutorials, right, like I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is maybe a channel dedicated for tech tutorials. All right, so something like that's very small. Okay, so you can, it depends on you. As said earlier, you can add whatever detail, whatever information that you would want to add to it, and then straight away you are good to go. So let's say this is a description I'm giving to the channel, a channel dedicated for technology tutorials. All right, then you click on save. Great, so it's showing over here, as you can clearly see on the screen. All right, so now the next thing to do is to, you see, you have on top of it where you had a dark background over there, you can change your wall, that's your cover image, and that's your profile image. So you click on this one to change any of them that you'd want to. All right, so now let's assume I want to change and add a photo. All right, so I'm going to select, all right, any image of my choice. Okay, I'm going to select any image of my choice, and then I put it over there. All right, so let's assume I am picking an image from this folder. All right, you check it out where you would want to pick an image from. So let's assume I'm going to use let's say this image. All right, so now you crop it to suit your preference. Okay, so after everything is successful, you get down there where we have save as profile picture. All right, so you click on that so easily. So save as profile picture. Quickly, you're actually going to see it being displayed over there. So let's have some shorter. Okay, so that's it. The image is actually showing over there as your profile picture. Now the next thing to do is to change your cover image. You click on this one, this tab over here. All right, so now it's either you take a photo or you choose from your photos. Now let's choose from our photos over here. So you look onto your phone, and then you select any image at all of your choice that you'd want to use as your cover photos. Let me assume I'm using this one. Okay, so now you see this, what you see over here is telling you that the image is going to display in different ways on different devices. So on all devices it's going to show as you see in between, that's the one in the middle. Okay, now on desktop it's going to enlarge, and then on TV you're going to get a very large image showing over there. So now let's crop it to suit us. All right, so assuming I want this type, okay, then I click on save on top over there. Now it's going to show over there where we had a black background. As you can see, yes, that is it. So it's also changed successfully. So now that you are done successfully with this, the next thing to do is to click on the U, where we have the U once again, to see if all that you did is now taking effect. So let's click on that, and then straight away, as you can see, Atta Smart is there, and then the profile image is there. We can click on your channel to view it, and now your channel cover image is also showing clearly over there. So now you have been able to actually create your YouTube channel successfully using your phone, just your phone. And so the next thing to do is to add your videos and continue with the settings. So if you want to continue adding your videos, actually you click on the create over here. This is when you can click on the create, and then either you are going to create a short, you're going to upload a video, you're going to go live, or create a post. All right, so that is it. So thank you so much for having time over here with me. From time to time, as I said earlier, I get time to take you through some of these tutorials so that you can actually also be able to do one or two things with your phone and all that. Okay, so if you want to be receiving tutorials like this, please do well to click on the subscribe button right away, and then when you are done, you turn on the notification bell so that you can actually get notification as and when there is a video over here. Actually, there are more videos coming on your way over here. A lot of calls, a lot of chats and all that. How do I do this? How do I do that? And all that. Facebook tutorials, YouTube tutorials and all that. So the next video, I will try as much as possible to actually take you through how to create engaging videos and content and all that. All right, so thank you so much, and don't forget once again to click on the subscribe button, and then also I want you to like this particular video and share so that others can actually also have a watch and learn. And also, if you have any question, don't forget to paste the question at the comment section, and I'll be very glad and happy to attend to you. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful day.